Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and maybe your future mentor. Well, here's the trade we had in the GrokStar room this morning on ZQK, which is Quicksilver, a retailer that did announce earnings last night. And then this line right here is the opening line, and kaboom, it opened up 17%. It then ran up and then did a pullback. Came up again to this line of resistance, which is the R1 line of the pivots, and then was doing what we call a bull pullback or a pullback buy. If you want to know more about that, just go to our free online tradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Description of it there, and here's a picture of it. We have a run up, and it pulls back to a line of support, whatever that happens to be, and this is a bullish formation. So here it was. It came up to here. It came down to the 8 EMA in this case, and I set a order right here and said, folks, let's get ready to go long. Boom, there we go, and I am now long at $6.28 long ZQK. Alrighty, let's keep running on this one for a while. It's going up, and then it was high basing here right at the 640 mark, and it looked like it was not going to break out any further than that. So I went ahead and I took out half at 640 for 1.9%. Still long the other half, and as you can see, because I had to scoot behind that, it did go ahead and take off with volume down here, and it continues to go up, and now it's to the R2 line, possible line of resistance. Broke out above that, and then I was pulling my stop up here behind the 8 EMA, and then bam, it got me out right there at $6.62 for 5.4% on the second half. So this total first trade that I want to talk about, long here on this bull pullback, half out here on this high base, and then the other half out here when it broke the 8 EMA for 3.65% in 34 minutes. All right, let's take a quick look at a second trade, because it was then setting up right after that. And you see what this is? This is what we call a bull pennant, similar to a bull flag, only it's pinching. If you want to know more about that, again, go to the free chart school to bull flag. There's a description of it there, and then here is a picture of it. We have a run up, and then it's running back. Now, the difference again between a flag, which is looking like this, where they're parallel lines, is that we have a pinching pattern here with the bull pennant. As you can see, we had this nice run up, and now it's pinching right here. So I told folks, if this breaks out to the upside, we want to go long. Be ready. And sure enough, kaboom, there it goes. And I didn't get in on the initial blast, but it did a quick pullback here, and I did get in at 671. And now we are long again. And boom, it runs up, it's running up. This 680 seems to be resistance. And resistance, oh nice. Now look at this. This is a really extended run here without any pullbacks. So it's getting to be very long in the tooth. So we're going to keep setting our stops just underneath that 8 EMA. And bam, when it broke down below it, I got out at $6.87 for 2.3% in 19 minutes. So these two trades alone, from here to here, and the second trade from here up and over to here, was for a total of 5.95% in a total of 53 minutes of trading time. Ooh-ah. These are the kind of trades we're doing in the GrokStar room, and hey, if you'd like to join us, you can for free. You don't even need a credit card. Just go to free online tradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below is where you can sign up for that 30-day trial. Hey, what are you going to be out anyway? It's free for 30 days. But what could you gain? Maybe some money. So this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. And just remember that according to Mark Davis, that an edge is nothing more than a higher probability of one thing happening over another. So we trade with the probabilities in our favor, and we can't go far wrong. Have a great weekend and trade well.